In this video, you will learn how to create a box-in-box chart in Adonis. You can use box-in-box charts to show objects of different levels as boxes nested within each other. Click on Plus Chart. Select Box-in-Box. Create your own configuration by choosing the object types that are used on each level of the chart and the relations that connect the objects. Click on Update View. And there you have it. Additionally, click on Color to enable coloring and create your own heat map. Alternatively, use a template. The necessary options will be selected automatically. Don't forget to save your analysis. Have a look at the Adonis online help for more information.